All right, Wes, what are we doing today?
Well, let me share with you, Larry. Here, watch this. Look, turn the key on, kicks on, but listen. Uh-oh.
That's problematic, isn't it?
That is a problematic thing. That's a sound that we don't like to hear.
No, we don't. So yeah, exactly. So we're going to be changing the battery in this 2008 Suzuki Burgman 650. So we're going to do that right now. We're going to show you how to do that. It's a pretty simple process, but we'll take you through the steps and get that going for you. And also, we know that the idiot's here right now, so he's going to try and pretend like he knows what he's doing. And
you know, the biggest thing is I don't want that sound to happen while I'm on a trip with Larry, because he'll leave my butt behind so fast.
Oh, you know that is true. The tools you need for this project, you're looking at it. A Phillips screwdriver, or possibly a 10mm socket. All right. Now to get to your battery, you want to remove your little tool kit if you have it still there. And this cover right back here is what we're trying to get to.
Pull this off here.
So you got a little rubber grommet that mounts these. I think it's just a connection for the battery itself. It might be a, I don't know what it is, but anyhow, now you want to get that battery cover off. There's going to be a pin that you pull out like that. Wes is just too dumb to know that. So, but anyhow, you pull that pin out, and then this should lift off.
See, like I said, Larry would leave me behind in a heartbeat if this thing doesn't start. There we go. Oh, you got to slide. See, you have to slide there.
Yeah. Okay.
See?
So pull that out and let's show it to our people here. Yeah. See, so this has got little tabs on it that slides out. You may or may not have that cover. I don't know if mine has that cover on it, but this particular one, this is a 2008 model, has this cover that slides out. I imagine most of them do. Okay, so now we've exposed the battery, and all you're really going to either need is, I think, a 10mm socket, or actually just a Phillips screwdriver. Wes chose his weapon, which is a Phillips screwdriver. He's going to go ahead and unscrew that and drop the screwdriver because he's really slow at doing this. When you're dealing with a brain stem instead of a brain, that's what happens. It's just kind of a slow process for him.
You guys all heard it from here.
He doesn't really know what he's doing, but he's going to go ahead and do that. I think he was dropped too many times as a child. So we're going to go ahead and get this taken out.
Taken out?
Taken out. We're going to get this taken out. We'll slide this out, and we'll install the new battery. Okay, you're going to want to be careful because there's going to be little washers that slide into the battery there. So he's got the battery out now. So new battery. These little flat washers are kind of a pain in the arse. So you're gonna want to slide those in before you put it in. And what I would recommend is putting the screws in ahead of time while you load it, and then you can take them out when you have it in the bike, just to keep that nut from sliding out on you as you're installing it.
Would you do that?
I would do that. It's just a little tip that I learned in the military. Okay, he's gonna slide that battery in. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Okay.
And now all he has to do is reattach
everything.
Yeah. Make sure you put the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. Anyhow, he's going to install that, and that's basically all you need. So, all right, so we got the battery in. It's all attached, ready to go. He just needs to replace the cover. Go ahead and replace the cover, Wes.
You going to call me any bad names?
I'll try to avoid that.
Okay, so get this here.
Make sure you get both those tabs in.
And then I should just have to be able to push that down. It should be in.
And the little snap should just pop in. And then you replace that grommet where it goes.
Okay, I don't think I popped that in yet. No. There we go.
Popped in.
Okay.
Grommet's back on.
I think that's it.
And that's it to replacing the battery. Let's see the difference.
Wow, it sounds.
Purrs like a kitten.
Wow.
Purrs like a kitten.
And a happy smile on my face. Look at that.
And that'll save you a little bit of money from going to the dealerships, right, Wes? What are we, Wes?
We are men.
In a cave.
Aussie Mayhem.
Thanks again for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. We got more how-tos, we got more trips, we got all kinds of fun things. Anything on 2, 3, 4, 1 wheel, we're doing it.
Oh, we can do a one-wheel. I've got a unicycle.
Shut up.
Oh.